Can't log into Discord. Discord login failed. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix if Discord says can't log in, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if Discord says that it can't log in and if the login has failed, do not try from the same page over and over again. If you're using the app, just long press on the Discord app icon, tap the I button to come to its app information page, then simply go to storage, clear cache and make sure to clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, now check if your Discord app is updated to the latest version and now only open it up. Once you've done that, just tap the login button. All you have to do is make sure to enter your email or phone number and then make sure to enter your password correctly, because sometimes it could be the issue with your credentials. Now if you happen to forget your email or password, you can also tap on the forgot your password option here in order to reset it. This way you can hopefully solve Discord and if you can't log in. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.